go. We got a 1969 Pontiac Firebird. Came with a 350 tranny. Has decent paint, decent interior. It's a really nice driver quality car. See, walk around the back. All the tail lights, headlights, marker lights, everything works. Speedometer works. Gas gauge is working. Got some new carpet. Interiors are pretty good. I'll open it up right now and show you. Has a rebuilt carb. Also has a disc brake conversion in the front with the power brake booster. Has a rebuilt carburetor. You see the interior is in really good shape. Nice driver quality. There's no rips or tears. I don't know if the seats were redone, but they're in really good shape. Door panels. You see the carpet view. Center console. The odometer is showing 48,446, but I really can't stand behind that. Gas gauge is working. Horn does not work. Wipers do work. There you go. See the dome light works when you open the door. Take her around the front, look at the headlights. I don't know if they're picking that up, but the headlights do work. Let's try to signal real quick. Turn signal working. Check out the back. Look into that. Try the other side. Get some brighter bulbs for it. There we go. You can walk around on this side. Put the phone down so we don't get this food. There you go. It's the original 350 motor with the transmission. See, I'm going to show you right now. The air compressor does kick on, but for some reason it's not getting cold. The air compressor is not working right now. I'm going to turn it on real quick and show you guys that it does kick on. Go over here, set it on AC, put this on cool, turn that on, over here. As you can see, the air compressor did kick on. It is blowing, but it's not getting cool. I don't know why. I just got the car. I don't have a chance to check anything. Drove fine on the freeway. I was cruising at 70 miles per hour. Radio works. Yeah. So this car is for sale. I'm asking $26,000. My number is 909-642-6233. Thank you.